Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program. Myself, Kunal Sharma. I teach mathematics in Modern English School, Kuntinagar. So today we are going to discuss. This is lecture number 7, and we are going to discuss exercise 4B. So in this lecture, we are going to learn how to find the cube of a given number using shortcut method. Now see, in this method, for a two digit number, it is applicable. This method is applicable for a two digit number. Now let us consider this 2a. Let us consider a equals 2 and b equals 5. The first digit I consider as a equals 2 and the second digit I consider b. Okay, I call it b. The first digit I call it a and the second digit I call it b. Now make four columns. First a cube, second column for 3a square b, third column for 3ab square, and fourth column for b cube. Okay, now what is the value of a cube? Put the value of a. A is 2 cube. Again 3 into what is the value of a? 2 square into what is the value of b? 5. Now 3 into a, what is the value of a? 2 into b, what is the value of b? 5 square, and here 5 cube. Now what is the value of 2 cube? 2 cube is 8, 3a square, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, and 23s are 60. 3 2s are 6, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 250, 50, 150. Now 5 5s are 25, this is 125. Okay, so now we have calculated the value. Now select the, from here, moving from right to left. From in this column, in the fourth column, we will select the last digit. 5 will be selected, and the remaining digit 12 will come in the next column and will be added here. Okay, this 12 will come here and will be added in this column. What you will get? 2, 5. 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 1. Now from this column 2 will be selected, and again the remaining number 16 will come in the next column and will be added to 16. 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Now in this column 6 will be selected and 7 will come to this column and will be added to it. But you will get 8 plus 7 is 15, and from this column everything will be selected. Now what is our final answer? Cube of 25 will be, from this column 15 is selected, from second column 6 is selected, from third column 2 is selected, and from fifth column 5 is selected. Okay, so in this way you will find out the cube of any given number. Okay, now we are going to learn, you can make a note of it. So in exercise 4b, there are only 4 questions and you can easily solve it. Now we are moving to exercise 4c and we will learn about cube root. So cube root, what is a cube root? Cube root is a, suppose there is a number 2 and we want to find the cube of this number. What you get? 3. And if you want to find the cube, you have to multiply 2 with itself 3 times. Now if you want, if you are given a number 8 and we want to know 8 is a cube of which number should be cubed so that we will get 8. That is, from here to, if you go from here to here, this will be cube, and if you will move from here to here, this is cube root. That is, from 8, if you want to find which number should be cubed so that you will get x. So that is called cube root. Cube root is a reverse process of cube and it is denoted by cube. Here you have to write a small 3. Okay, small 3 means cube root. Cube root of 8. What does it mean? It means which number should be cubed. Which number I should cube or should be multiplied, or which number should be multiplied 3 times so that we will get 8. So which number? Is there any number which we can multiply 3 times and we get 8? Yes, there is a number, that is 2. If you multiply 2 3 times, if you find the cube of 2, then we will get 8. Or simply cube root of 8 means what is the number, what is that number should be cubed so that you will get 8. Which number should be cubed so that you will get 8? So the answer is 2. Similarly, if you want to find the cube root of 125, it means which number should be cubed so that you will get 125. Which number? 5. 5 should be multiplied 3 times, then you will get 125. Now we will learn how to find the cube root of a given number. Cube root of a given number. First of all, suppose we want to find the cube root of 1000. Cube root of 1000. How we will find this? We have a method. First of all, find the prime factorization of 100. Divide it by 2. 500, 2, 250, 2, 125, 5, 5, 5, 25, 5 again. Now I can write 1000 as a product of this 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now, in order to find the cube root of 1000, I can write 1000 as a product of this prime factor. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now you have to form triplets. Here you see one triplet and here you see another triplet. And from this triplet of equal factors, you have to pick one. Out of 3, 2, you have to pick 1, 2 and multiply with, out of this 3, 5, you have to pick 1, 5. Just like in square root we do, out of 2, we pick out 1. Here out of 3, we pick out one factor, and multiply all this factor and you will get the answer. What is the answer? 5 to the 10. So in this way you will calculate the cube root of any given number. So students, your today's homework will be exercise 4B, 1 to 4 and 4C, 1 to 6. Okay. So do this, and thank you for watching the video.